Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. So we'll take some trades are based on the price action concept. So before taking the trades, we have to must and should analyze the market. Okay. So first of all, let me take a call option trade. So the reason behind this call option trade, if we just analyze the market, previous market is in a downtrend market. After that, it becomes to range, and ranging mode it becomes to downtrend. After the downtrend, it moves to the upper direction with higher highs and lower lows. Then it become again a head and shoulder pattern. This is a head and shoulder pattern which market just fluctuate up to this area. So this is called as a neckline. Based on the neckline, I take a call option trade, and the market is also a uptrend market. So I'm expecting a one buyer's candle. On that note, I take a call option here. So let us see. So we can also observe the rejection from the lower side, which is a buyer's strong entry. So if this candle has become a loss, we can expect next candle also a buyer candle. Okay. So this is our first winning trade. Let us take another chart. We can use the digital and just click onto the any one of the USD OTC pair, Euro GBP. So the platform which I'm using is the IQ option platform. So in India only for the old users the IQ option is available. So in the same platform you can use the Xnova. Xnova is almost similar to this IQ option. So Xnova account link in my video description for the Indian users. Other than India you can use IQ option or the Xnova. It depends upon you. But try to use the deposits and withdrawals in the crypto, which mean USDT or the another currency, cryptocurrency for deposit and the withdrawals. Okay, so now let us analyze this market thoroughly so we can make a decision. With marginal safety, I will place a call option, but I'm not expecting to take the trade exactly at the opening price. Yes, at this, okay, it automatically open at the opening price, so we can't do anything. So we will analyze the market. Just draw a simple trend line from the downward direction which shows us the market is in a uptrend. So the market is in a higher highs and higher lows. After the higher highs and higher lows, it ranges to this till resistance 1 and resistance 2. Now it become a support for the upper players. So it become a support and resistance here. So this is a zone 1 resistance point to zone 2 resistance 2, and this one is acting as a resistance to support. Okay, this is called as a resistance becomes support area. So the reason why I take for the call option, due to the uptrend market is in a higher highs and higher lows, and the trend is in uptrend, so there is a chances of the breakout. This red candle, previous red candle is just a retracement, so by taking the retracement it will move upward direction. So on that reason I take a call option, which is our winning trade. Let's take another chart, some random chart, but use only the OTC market with currency pairs. Do not try to use this Bitcoin or all these things, US 500, all these things. Just use the any currency pairs, even though it is real market or the OTC market. Alright. So the reason why I'm using this platform, because it gives a clear candlesticks pattern with the rejections and the body. So I like this platform so that we can understand the price action very clearly. So it helps us to improve our price action trading. Okay, so if you want to create account, you can just click on the video description to create the account of external or IQ option. So I'm drawing a support line, which means the market is in a zone of a support area, and this is a minor resistance. So previous trend is a uptrend become break, and now this is a overbought area. This will act as a overbought area, so it become a support and resistance overbuying zone. Then it is acting between these two level as a support and resistance. So even though uptrend is now ended. Now it becoming a downtrend. So we have to take a put option with some marginal safety trades. Okay, because the market breaks this trend line and there is a chances of downward direction trade. Okay, yes, exactly at this I can place for the downward direction because the previous trend is now ended, this trend line. So this is a new downtrend and it will move downward direction. Okay, I hope you understand my price action techniques the way of I'm reading. So if anyone interested to learn the price action, you can join my online classes. So you can contact through my telegram id. Telegram id is link in my description. So let us take another chart. So GPP GPY. So previous market is a downtrend market with lower highs and lower lows. After that it ranges from period between these two candlesticks. So the market is making a retracement. So we can place a downward direction trade here. So the reason for the downward direction trade which I place here is a downtrend. This is a higher point. So it become support and resistance and it will decline and will downward direction in this way. Okay. So this is my another winning trade. So these are the trades based on the price action concept. If anyone interested, you can contact my telegram ID. My telegram ID is linked in my description. Thank you.